We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make a grain salad. Start by adding 3 cups of a cooked whole grain to a large mixing bowl. Next, add 2 to 3 cups of diced vegetables, fresh fruit, and/or beans. Next, a 1/4 cup to 3/4 cups of add-ins. This can include crumbled or shredded cheese, chopped toasted nuts, and/or dried fruit. Then add a 1/4 cup chopped fresh herbs, and finally a 1/4 cup of dressing or vinaigrette. Add salt and pepper to taste. Using a spatula, go ahead and mix the grain salad to make sure it's all evenly coated with that vinaigrette. Once mixed, test for flavor and adjust to taste. Check out the recipe in the description. Be sure to like this video and follow us for more. And always remember, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better, to your taste.